everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Matilda and thank you so much for joining me here today. For today's video I'm going to be testing out some products from a brand you may or may not have seen on infomercials on your gym's TVs, and that is Thin Lizzy. Thin Lizzy very kindly sent me these products to review, but as always all opinions are completely my own and this review is 100% genuine. But without further ado, let's just get into it. First up, I'm going in with the Flawless Complexion Liquid Foundation in the shade Minx. I took about a pump and a half and dotted it all over my face. On one side of my face, I'm going to be using the blurring brush. The brush has over 300,000 soft fibres that are supposed to seamlessly blur away all imperfections, ensuring streak-free, even coverage for a naturally flawless finish, and all the information that I'm going to be giving you guys in this video is just directly from their website. It was my first time using a brush like this and I was super surprised, as you will see, how quickly I blended out all of the foundation. The key is to gently glide the brush over the skin in a continuous stroke, and I did find I had no streaking and very even coverage. With my big man hands, it was a little bit difficult to get a good grip on the brush, but I'm sure with more use I would get used to it. On the other side of my face we are going to be using the blending sponge, which I dampened, and which actually comes in a heap of cute colours and I kind of want to collect some more. The sponge is made from latex-free foam with a fine cell pore structure that is supposed to ensure excellent product pickup and payoff. It's designed for seamless application and coverage with minimal product wastage. Now I am not a sponge person. I've always preferred a brush, but this sponge is bloody good. I would say it's just as bouncy and easy to blend as the beauty blenders, and it is way cheaper. To compare both sides, I would say the brush side offered slightly more coverage and was quicker to use. The combo of both applicators with the foundation made for a light natural coverage, but definitely evened out my skin and made me look super glowy and healthy. I also decided to add another pump of foundation to my face just to see if the foundation could build without looking cakey. I again used the brush on one side and to the sponge on the other. I would say the second layer built it up to closer to a medium coverage, but I would still call it a natural foundation. I do really like the finish of this. It's kind of like my perfect foundation that's natural but still covers up a lot of my pillaries and redness and things that I want to hide, but still makes me look really natural and glowy. Next up we have the concealer cream, also in the shade Minx. I would normally get a shade lighter to highlight the face, but getting the same shade as the foundation makes for a more natural look if you're looking for that. I'm putting this in all the areas I usually do and using the blending sponge to blend it out. I was super impressed with this concealer. It blended super easy, was great coverage and didn't crease, which are the three things that I want from a concealer. I did have to build up some more product on the blemish on my cheekbone, but I think that was more down to the sponge, not the concealer. Now to powder with the Compact Mineral Foundation, also in the shade Minx. I do really like how all the shade names are the same across the products, so you know what to get if you know your shade in one of the products. You can obviously use this product on its own as it is a powder foundation, however I clearly used it over the top of my liquid foundation. It was great for adding some more coverage but wasn't heavy or cakey looking. It also wasn't too matte, which is great because I much prefer a dewy look. I did just set under my eyes with a translucent powder, as this is what I always do and I wanted to give the concealer a fair test against my normal faves. Then I just went off camera to do the rest of my face and my eyeshadow because I didn't have those products from Thin Lizzy, and now we are on to mascara. For our mascara, I have the MAC Lash Mascara, which is a 3D fiber lash mascara that states it will give you the same look as salon lash extensions for thicker, longer, beautiful lashes in seconds. Now I hate mascara. My eyes absolutely freak out when I put it on and start watering, so I can't get too close to the lash line to really work the product in there. So I don't think I did the best job you probably could do with this mascara, so I would take my review with a grain of salt. First you apply the liquid mascara to your lashes, then you add the fibres, which are kind of like black bits of fluff. I could not for the life of me get the fibres to go on like I assume they are supposed to. It was kind of just coming off in clumps and falling on my face and in my eye. Again, I am terrible with mascara though, so I'm not sure if someone who can get the wand right in there and wiggle it up nicely would have better results, but this is just how mine turned out. After the fibres, you pop on another coat of the liquid mascara to kind of set it in place. As you can see, mine didn't turn out great, but I tried my best. I did like the liquid mascara on its own, but I probably won't use the fibres again because it's a little bit too much hassle and I've just come to accept that my eyelashes aren't great naturally, so I'll just wear false lashes. Anyway, those are all the products that I have to show you. Overall, I was super impressed with the base products and tools, which I think is what Thin Lizzy is known for, so I would expect them to be good. The mascara didn't work for me, but definitely check out some other reviews by people who actually can use mascara wands properly before you write it off. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried any of the Thin Lizzy products and how you went with them. Of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and check me out on my Instagram. Thank you so much as always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! Mwah.